Here's how to search for filters on Instagram in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Instagram filters are effects you can use on stories, reels, and the camera to change how your content looks. First, open the Instagram app. Swipe right from your home screen to open the camera. At the bottom, swipe through the filters. Keep scrolling all the way to the end until you see Browse Effects. Tap Browse Effects. This opens the Instagram Effect Gallery, where you can search for filters. Tap the search icon at the top. Type a keyword like beauty, glow, vintage, or the creator's name. Tap on any filter and select Try It to preview how it looks on your camera. If you like the filter, tap the Save icon. It will now appear in your camera filters list. You can also open a creator's profile. Tap the Effects tab to see all filters they've made. If you don't see Browse Effects, make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you search for filters on Instagram. Subscribe for more Instagram tips.